Hey geeks, in this particular video, I will make a program to print first 10 natural numbers in Python using for loop and while loop, and also using for loop in one line. So let's start. First of all, I will use for loop. So for loop has a function range in which we can give starting point and ending point. And this is the syntax of for loop in Python. So let's run it, and you can see here we will get 1 to 10 natural numbers. After that, we can also put a single number 10, and but we have to print I plus 1 because for loop starts from 0. Now we will see using while loop. First of all, we have to initialize I is equals to 1. Then we write while loop and give a condition while I is less than equals to 10. Print I and I plus is equals to 1. And let's run it. And you can see the result of printing first 10 natural numbers. Then I will show you to print first 10 natural numbers using for loop in only in one line. So this is the very simple syntax. We have to write I, what we have to print. I for I in range 1 comma 11, and then we run it. You can see this is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10.